Solana is likely to gain 9.5% by tomorrow, according to Gov Capital Collector. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. According to the latest chart, Solana has dropped 7.2% and is near $89.68. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. The forecast from Traders Union points to a decline to $85.51 by tomorrow, around 4.5% below today's level. Coin price forecast believes Solana may approach $89.90. That's an increase of about 0.4%. According to Coin Data Flow, it might approach $92.35, a rise of approximately 3.1%. A different analysis from Gov Capital Collector shows Solana could progress toward $98.05, roughly 9.5% higher. To conclude, crypto predictions projects the price to hit $101.84 by tomorrow, a gain of 13.7%. This is the top return forecast we've seen. You've heard 5 expert views. Let's go on. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. The aggregated outlook from all analysts suggests that the price could change between a decrease of 4.5% and a gain of 13.7%, depending on the analyst. All in all, crypto predictions ends up with the highest return with 13.7% uplift in value by tomorrow. After adding it all up, you could take in between $4 and $137 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, Coin Price Forecast leads the way at 94.7%. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. The consensus target puts Solana at close to $93.53. Alright, let's see what's inside. The consensus view places the price 4.4% higher than current levels. And at that exact percentage, your capital could also see growth. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $44 under this forecast. The likelihood that the consensus outcome will hold true is around 70.8%. Here's where we look at the 3-day predictions across analysts. Traders Union sees Solana on a downward slope. The outlook from Coin Price Forecast shows the price climbing further. Meanwhile, Coin Data Flow projects continued upside pressure. Also, Gov Capital Collector expects the market to keep trending upward. The near-term outlook, similarly stressed by crypto predictions, is clearly bullish. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Solana in the short term. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Solana may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. As a result, the day's market action settled at $92.13. Yesterday's results showed that only a few forecasts matched the real direction. The most precise forecast belonged to Coin Data Flow. Now comes the breakdown. All forecasts stayed outside the daily candle. In terms of ROI, a few analysts achieved profits, with the top performance reaching 10.7%. Here's the daily summary. How every forecast actually worked out. From the table, Traders Union reached minus 10.7% ROI and $12.14 accuracy. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Now we're moving on to tomorrow's forecast comparison across several coins, including Solana. Solana currently leads all compared assets with a projected return of 4.4%. For now, we're comparing Solana with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The full profitability comparison and analyst statistics will soon be available on my website and Telegram. Okay friends, that's all. Subscribe now so you don't lose track of the sequence. Talk to you soon.